Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you ways on how to fix TapTap Send app money transfer problem in UAE in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, what you can do is you can go ahead and go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Then you want to go and look for TapTap Send, and you want to make sure that the app is up to date. As you can see, mine says update, so I can definitely update that. And then once done, go back to the app and that should fix the issue. But if the issue still persists, another method you can try is by going to your settings. Then you want to scroll down all the way and search for apps. From here, you want to go ahead and type in TapTap Send. And from here, you can do several things. First is you can choose to force stop the app, this one. Once you do that, go ahead and relaunch the app and check if the issue is now fixed. But if it's not, you can go ahead and go back to the same page and scroll down, choose storage, and then from here, you can clear both data and cache. And then for the final method, you can always go ahead and uninstall the app and reinstall it, and that should fix the issue. That's it. Now you know how to fix TapTap Send app money transfer problem in UAE in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!